What up, guys? Man, I was just recording on my doggone camera. My list memory card full. I gotta see what's up with that. So I'm trapping out the phone right now. So like I was saying, man, I got the motor in. I got the transmission cooling hooked up. The lines. I just gotta get we need to get the water pump hoses to run to the. I'll probably just go. That heater coil gonna need change now. I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm gonna just close these holes off and the guy he probably gonna change it out later, whatever the case may be. But for now, I'm just gonna close them off. We got everything ran. The motor wired up. I just gotta wire the car up to the harness. I went and got some battery cable yesterday. I got some wires to I gotta wire the gas tank up here to the harness. What I'm gonna be doing today is send my camera, my memory card, my camera pulled. I'm gonna put the bracket on, and I gotta get that tool so I could be able to put the power steering pump on. And what else? When I do that, I ain't gonna put the belt on right now, and I'm gonna put the tension. I got the tension pulley to go on there. I'm gonna put that on, and I think I posted a video with me putting the gas tank on. I think I did, or I'm gonna post it later. But the gas tank on here. I need the wires that I gotta hook them up. I can't find that connector to go right here, so I'm gonna just skin the wire back a little bit and just connect them there, and then if I do find the female connector, I can put it on there. Put that on. But I'm gonna do it that way so I can actually start it up. And by there being a different tank, the tank scrap is real loose, so they're gonna have to be changed out. I don't know what he's gonna do with that situation, but it gonna need changing out. Cause that gas tank there is thicker in the back, as you can see. That's the old gas tank. So, guys, I'm holding my phone while I'm getting the footage. So, this one here, this project here is with me with the wiring and getting it started. It's 9% ready to be trunked. And I got some more content coming, a whole lot more. You see my blue car, Bella, AKA Bella. I'm about to get her back running. The white car, it's already running, but that's for another video. We'll talk about that later. We're gonna LS swap the Chevy H10. We'll go LS swap it. The motor's sitting over here. Y'all don't worry, just look over my shop. I'm in the process of cleaning it up, getting it organized. Cause if it don't rain later on today, I'm putting my blue car, putting Bella up in here so I can get her prepped and ready soon. Cause I gotta get her back rolling. But this is a 5.3 right here. I got it covered up. At the moment, I just covered it up, so in the process of holding me up on that bill, it's the crank here. It's a 5.3 crank, but it came out of a Gen 4 block, which is the stroker. The stroke is longer than an LS3 because we had it in, the piston came out the cylinder just a little, or just the piston came out the cylinder probably about that much, and that wasn't gonna work. So, and this is the crank that come out of, which is a 4.8 crank. 4.8 crank. Is there, and then the difference between a 5.3 and a 4.8, the crank make the difference. Same piston side, but different strokes. And I can show y'all that. I'm gonna show y'all that soon, how you can tell. But this here is a 5.3 crank. You can about look at it and tell, you can see the weight on it, on the crank. How they got like that curvy edge. And this one here don't. And it's the numbers that's on the crank that you can also identify the cranks and everything. But yeah, we gonna fix this block, but I'm gonna end up getting rid of this block because we tried 3 different crank bearings and they all were real tight. We went all the way down to the smaller side, so that block there is no good. And the S10, this the motor came out the S10. It's a 350 bolt over 30. We pulled it out of there. We gonna put that 5.3 in it. So we go, let's swapping it. You know what I'm saying? So there gonna be some content coming up. I already sprayed up under the hood, cleaned it up. Y'all, stay tuned, bro. And I'm gonna show y'all how my work is done, how I take pride in my work. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's the bracket here that we gonna put on the drop top. Got the bolts, the hardware. I just took it off of that because that ain't gonna work because that truck bracket, the little puller that's on the truck bracket is going to be literally in the way of the throttle body. I'm gonna clean this up some more, bro. I just got it up in there for 9, man. I wish I had a fit and I could actually curve this line a little more, but I don't. So I gotta work with what I got. You know what I'm saying? That's all I can do, man. Work with what I got. We got the headers. I'm gonna put the headers on here too soon. I ain't ready for the headers yet, but they will be going on soon. So guys, I got this new edited program that I'm gonna go try out. So I'm trying to get a little footage and see how it actually works. But that's it, man. I mean, they're gonna need some work done to it. You know, I got to be honest with you, man, the whole car really need wiring up. But, you know, I can't tell nobody how to spend their money or nothing like that. So I try to do the best I can for what they want. And you know what I'm saying, what they want to spend on their projects. But I'm gonna cut y'all guys back on, man. Once I get that mounted up there, the bracket, and let y'all check it out, see how it looks. Stay tuned now.